Hello, this is Maruf back. Today I'm going to discuss the one important question which is given in Duolingo test. A lot of people get stuck in this particular question which is called missing the letter. In missing the letter, what happened that you got to fill in the blanks and you have to fill in the blank with the right word, with the right missing letter. So people find difficulty to write down the proper answer in such a kind of question. Today I'm going to tell you that how to be done missing the letter question in your Duolingo test, right? When you got a question like this, you have to read the complete passage, right? Complete passage, each line and every passage. When you read the complete lines and complete passage, then you understand that what could be the word in this fill in the blank, for example. If you do not read the complete passage and if you do not understand what word can be, let's say, in this fill in the blanks, so you might not be able to fill the right word into the blanks, in fact. So you have to be very careful. You have to read the complete passage. You have to read every line, right? Okay. When you understand the complete passage, then you build the understanding the word can be placed in this fill in the blanks, right? So until you read the complete passage, until you read the complete lines, you cannot have an idea the word could be, for example. So you can develop the understanding by reading the whole passage. There is not such any tips which tells you that how to get the word which needs to be put in the fill in the blanks. The only strategy is to read the complete passage and read the every line. When you read the lines, in fact, during the reading you develop the understanding the word could be in next, for example. Let me give you that if you got a word, for example, elephant, right, and you got to fill in the blank before the elephant, right? So you think that because this is the elephant, so we have to place over here article, let's say an elephant, for example, right? Okay, so you can develop the understanding by reading the word. So you got an elephant, right? So before the elephant you got to fill in the blanks, so you can have understanding that before the elephant or before the aeroplane we have to put n in the fill in the blanks, right? So the same thing goes to missing the letter as well. When you read the complete lines, by reading the line you understand the word should be placed in fill in the blank. Word will come in your mind directly. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, because it is quite difficult to understand what word could be in the fill in the blanks, right? But when you read the line, in fact, during the reading the lines, you understand, in fact, and you get the idea the word should be placed in fill in the blank. So you do not have any kind of a strategy to find out or to know exactly the word should be placed in the fill in the blank. The only strategy that you have to read every line with understanding. If you got a proper understanding that word should be placed in the fill in the blanks, then you will be placing the very right and correct word in the fill in the blanks, right? But if you do not read out the lines, if you do not read out the word, for example, that you might not be able to understand what to put in fill in the blanks. This is the only way to do the missing the letter exercise in Duolingo test, right? You got dozen of exercises in Duolingo test, but one exercise missing the letter does create a problem for every candidate, right? So if you are good at your language, if you are good at the vocabularies, let's say, then you can do these sort of exercise very easily. Again, you have to read the complete passage, you have to read every line right. When you read the lines, in fact, during the reading you understand and you develop the understanding the word should be in the fill in the blanks, and you got an idea very easily. When you read the line, when you understand the lines, in fact, you can understand the word should be placed next, in fact. So out of 180 times you guess correct always, right? 20 times 20% you might be, let's say, incorrect, but 100 out of 100 80% you always correct, and you write down the correct answer. So this is the only way to be done the missing the letter exercise. Read every line carefully, read the complete passage, and then understand that in this fill in the blanks what word should be placed. By developing the understanding, by having the understanding right what word should be placed, you will be able to fill in the blanks with the right word, and you will get the maximum marks in your Duolingo test, right? So this question always get a problem. I hope that you will follow the strategy which I have already told you, so you might not have any problem in missing the letter. Hopefully that I'll come up with the next video and I'll share the next question strategy with you guys. Thank you very much. Fend for yourself.